My name is Barry Robotnik. The company I have is Survival Motorsports. Personally, I've been building engines literally since I was in my teens. As a business, Survival Motorsports is about 10 years old now. Survival is almost entirely dedicated to the Ford FE series of engine. They were the motors used to win Le Mans for Ford in the 60s. They were the motors that powered the Cobra Jet Mustangs and all of the 390 Torinos and Fairlanes and Thunderbolts of the drag racing era. If you look at the motor I entered, although it's not in the vintage class, it has a lot of vintage era pieces on it to carry that visual appearance, that vibe. Been using it for a long time now. As long as you've been sponsoring the contest, on the motors we run on the dyno here, when we take them home, if for whatever reason we take them apart, the parts look great. So very much sold on the quality of the product. I consider this to be a very high stress environment for a motor. I mean, we're trying to make huge amounts of torque at very low RPM, very high load. And if anything is gonna hurt, like engine bearings and things like that, I've got a bearing background. And the things come out looking good enough so that in one of my previous Engine Masters motors remains in my car. So the product appears to do a very nice job of keeping the motor intact. And Lord knows I try to break it.